Namaste, friends. My name is Nisha Thakur, and I'm a maths online tutor. In this series, we are doing linear equations, and this time we are doing distance problem. Today is here fourth question we are solving, and this is another type of distance problem where we do some work. Is when one person catches up with another. Here, a slower person has a head start, and the faster person is trying to catch up with him. And we want to know how long it will take the fast person to do this. Our strategy for this problem will be to use t for the faster person's time and add amount of time the head start was to get the slower person time. Here is the question. Mike leaves his house traveling 2 miles per hour. Joy leaves 6 hours later to catch up with him traveling 8 miles per hour. How long will it take her to catch up with him? So here we can make this table for Mike and Joy, rate, time, distance. So here given rate for Mike or speed for Mike 2 miles per hour, for Joy 8 miles per hour. Okay. And remember one thing here, faster persons take time t, okay, and slower person take more time, so t plus what, 6 hours later, so you can add 6. Okay. This is Mike's time. And simply here we multiply rate multiply time, we get distance. So rate multiply time, 2 times t plus 6. You can simply here or later, okay, your choice. Here very small space, so I will do later. And here rate times time, 8t. Okay. And here in this question, distance for both same, Mike and Joy cover same distance, so both distance equal. Okay. I am solving here. You can solve here if your choice. Okay, where you want. Okay, 2t and 2 times 6, 12 equal 8t. Okay, now can we subtract 2t both side? So 12, 8t minus 2t, 6t, and both side divide by 6. So 12 divided by 6 we get 2, or t equal 2, and 2 in hour. So 2 hour. Here says how long will it take her to catch up with him? So after 2 hours, this is our answer. So stay with me and we will do more questions about distance problem. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye. Have a nice time.